In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Keep Notes in just 5 minutes. Whether you've accidentally deleted a note or you're just learning the ropes, don't worry. Retrieving your notes is easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Keep. You can do this by typing keepagoogle.com into your browser's address bar, then pressing enter. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to go ahead and sign into your Google account. This is where all your notes are safely stored, ready for you to access at any time. When you're on the main page of Google Keep, you'll notice there's a main menu icon typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, located at the top left corner of the screen. Give that a click to reveal a list of options that will appear on the left side of your screen. Scrolling through the options available, you're looking to locate the trash option. You might have to scroll a bit, but it's usually towards the bottom of the list. What you're effectively doing here is navigating to a special spot in your account where deleted notes are temporarily stored before being permanently removed. Once you find trash, click it. This will direct you to a new area within Google Keep that showcases all notes and reminders you've recently removed. Think of it as a second chance for anything you've mistakenly got rid of, a bit like a recycle bin. Next, what you want to do is locate the particular note that you wish to recover. It might be helpful to know that notes will typically remain in the trash for up to 30 days before they are automatically and permanently deleted, so be sure to act within that time frame. Look through the list of deleted items until you spot the one you need. The note should display itself just the way you left it, complete with all the content you didn't mean to remove. Once you've identified the note, it's time to restore it. To do this, move your cursor over the note to reveal a couple of icons. You'll want to click on the restore icon, which is usually represented by a curved arrow pointing upwards. Clicking restore will move the note from the trash back into your main collection of notes. Congratulations! Your note is now back in its rightful place among your active Google Keep notes. You can go back to the main menu by clicking on Notes to see it living right there on your primary dashboard, just like before.